Hey, handy helpers. It's me, Andy, and welcome back to my workshop, where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. It's almost Christmas time, and this year I'm one of Santa's top toy helpers. Can you believe it? Yep, I just finished fixing this toy airplane. Huh. Looks like that was the last one.
Andy, we've got an emergency. Santa sent us a whole new sack of toys that need repair immediately.
Whoa, that's a lot of repairs. But don't worry, we're on the job for Santa. Handy helpers, if you want to help us fix these toys for Santa, press that thumbs up button. Awesome. Now, we need to do our warm-up. Can you help us? First, let's shake our hands like jingle bells. Shake, 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 shake.
Now, let's stomp our feet like reindeer hooves. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
And finally, let's do a big stretch like a big Christmas tree. Stretch.
Great job, handy helpers.
We're all warmed up.
Okay, let's see what's inside the sack first. Oh, a fire truck. Wow, fire trucks are so important because firefighters drive them to put out fires. Handy helpers, do you know what color a fire truck is? Yes, red! Now, can we count how many wheels are on the fire truck?
Yeah, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait! Handy helpers, do you see the problem? Yep, the fire truck is missing its 6th wheel. This fire truck can't drive to the fire without all 6 of its wheels. It needs to be fixed. Aha! And I have the perfect spare tire. Handy helpers, what tool do we need to screw back on this wheel? Yes, that's right, a screwdriver. Let's use our screwdriver to turn the wheel back on. Handy helpers, are you ready? Let's do a test drive.
Perfect.
All right, handy helpers. Now it's time to do a big test drive to make sure it works. Awesome! Hey, my phone is ringing. The North Pole is calling! Hello, Andy's workshop. Hello, Santa! It's Santa!
Ho, ho, ho! Andy and Lily just calling to check in on my 2 best helpers. How are the toy repairs coming along?
Oh, great, Santa! The toy repairs are coming along great. We just fixed the fire truck.
Wonderful! Remember, every toy is important. You 2 are helping me save Christmas. Keep up the great work. I have to go feed my reindeer. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Santa. Bye-bye.
Oh, wow, we're really saving Christmas. Oh, there's only a few toys left in the sack. Let's get back to work. Let's see what we have next. We have 2 toy animals. But, they don't look right. This one has an elephant body and a giraffe head. And this one has a giraffe body and an elephant head. Oh, Andy, these animals are all mixed up.
You're right. We can't let Santa deliver a giraffe-olent. We need to use our tools, switch all their parts around. Now, which tools should we use? Oh, This will work. Let's use our wrench to twist off their parts one by one. Lily, we can do this together.
Let's start twisting.
All right, all done. Now that we have all the parts in the right order, we need to match them to the right animal.
Let's see. Let's start with the giraffe's head and the giraffe's body. Wow. And the giraffe legs.
And here's the elephant's head and its body and its legs. All right, awesome. Now that all the parts are in the right order, let's use our screwdrivers to tighten them nice and tight.
Perfect. Wow. Now the giraffe is back to its long neck and the elephant is back to its strong trunk. 2 more toys for Santa to deliver. Oh, now let's see what else we have to fix.
Whoa! This amazing robot is next. How cool is this? Hello? Mr. Robot, can you hear me? Can you do a flip? Huh. It's not moving. Maybe he just needs a jump start. I'll use my hammer to give him a little tap, tap, tap to get him going. Okay, let's try again. Hello, Mr. Robot? Still nothing.
Maybe something's loose inside?
Good idea, Lily. I'll use my screwdriver to turn any loose screws. Nope, still off.
Oh, I have an idea. Handy helpers. What is something that toys need to turn on and move around?
Batteries! Of course! Great idea, Lily. I bet he just needs a new set of batteries. And I have some new batteries right here. Can you hear me now, Mr. Robot?
Beep, boop. Mr. Robot hears you, Andy, and is ready to play.
It worked! He's alive! Okay, Mr. Robot, let's see what you can do.
Wow, this robot is amazing. Great job. Another toy fixed for Santa. Oh, and guess what? Our sack is empty. That means we fixed all of the toys for Santa.
Awesome job, handy helpers. Hey, now that all the toys are fixed for Santa, how do we get Santa to come to the workshop? You know it. We have to leave out cookies. Great work, everyone. Let's give a big Christmas high five. And remember, at Andy's workshop, we fix it,
Build it.
and learn it together. See you next time.
Merry Christmas!